After a while, rattan furniture may become damaged, but that doesn't mean that you have to throw it away. You can repair it.
You will need wire cutters, scissors, glue and spare rattan. Cut the broken strand at the point that it goes under the strand going in the opposite direction. This will hide the join once it is repaired. Repeat the process at the other end. Apply glue to one end of the new rattan and place into position. Hold until the glue has dried. Cut the new rattan to length, making sure it is in line with the end of the broken strand. Weave the new piece into position. Apply glue to both of the cut ends. Weave into place and hold until dry.
So there you have it, your rattan chair is repaired and you can continue to enjoy using it.